Hey everyone, welcome back. You're go-to source for the latest tech news and updates. In today's video, we're diving into some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series. There are some radical changes on the horizon, so let's get into it. Samsung is shaking things up with the Galaxy S25 series. According to Android headlines, Samsung is dropping the Plus model and will only release two versions in 2025: the Galaxy S25 SMS 931B/DS and the Galaxy S25 Ultra SMS 938B. This is a big shift from the three-model lineup they've had since 2021. Why the change, you ask? It seems that the Plus versions haven't been selling as well as the other models. Samsung is streamlining their flagship lineup to focus on what consumers really want. Let's talk about the processors. The Galaxy S25 will feature a MediaTek processor, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be powered by Qualcomm. This decision might be aimed at optimizing performance and cost across the different models. Now on to the cameras. The Galaxy S25 will sport a 50MP camera, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra will boast a whopping 200MP camera. This is sure to excite photography enthusiasts looking for top-notch image quality. Battery life and charging speeds are crucial. The Galaxy S25 will come with a 4000 mAh battery supporting 25W fast charging. On the other hand, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging, ensuring you stay powered up throughout the day. So, when can we expect these new devices? The Galaxy S25 series is set to launch in early 2025. Mark your calendars, because these phones are going to be game changers. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which Galaxy S25 model you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.